How's your day going? I hope you're doing well. Thank you so much for clicking on this reaction. My name is Edgar Rock DJ. I'm a Kenyan rock DJ, professional rock DJ in Kenya for about 10 years. Played in clubs, concerts, TV, and radio. Want to check out Ziferblat, Bird of Prey acoustic version from Eurovision album. I'm assuming that's album, ALBM album. Anyway, if you're a big fan of Ziferblat or you're watching from Ukraine, thanks so much for being here. Make sure to smash like and subscribe. Subscribing is free. Very close to 50,000 subscribers. So subscribe. Let's go. When they say acoustic version, do they really mean piano version? You know, in rock, as a rock DJ, when they say acoustic version, I'm expecting strumming of acoustic. But this is coming off more like piano version.
Зайдеш і до мене, моя пташка. Крилами пісня зліта, є важка.
This is a beautiful piece, jeez.
Серденько, серце кохане, не турбуйся. Доля довірила світ останнім із нас. Я світла шукаю, гори зверну. And I...
Wait. It's funny. I'm so used to listening to this song in Ukrainian. I was like, maybe look for some subtitles. I'm so used to listening to songs in other languages. I don't even bother even translating.
Доля довірила світ останнім із нас. Я світла шукаю, гори зверну. And I call you fly, bird. I'm begging you, please just leave. Share my heart with someone who cares. Oh.
This is so beautiful. It's giving me chills, man. Damn!
Call you fly, bird. I'm begging you, please just leave. Share my heart with someone who cares. Of me and my little bird of prey.
I wish they still had the ladies doing. I wish they still. I cannot sing to save my life, but there are these female vocals they typically have in this song. I wish they were still there.
Вертайся додому, рідна стежка. Спів перелітний пташок народить весна. Fly, bird, I'm begging you, just get off me and my little bird.
I like Bird of Prey is already a good rock song, and then you do this piano. Whenever I hear someone doing a piano piece like this, it always reminds me of Coldplay, because Coldplay, Speed of Sound, that's one of their best songs. It has that piano vibe. Also, rock bands like The Fray, they do piano rock. Very good rendition.
Me and my little bird.
even feel so bad pausing. I just wanted to say that Ukraine, who else? Armenia, come on now. Ukraine, Armenia, who else? Who else had an unexpected rock song? It's on the tip of my tongue. Why am I forgetting? Armenia, Ukraine, Lithuania, and someone else. There were like 4 songs that were rock, and I was not expecting those countries to have rock entries. But Lithuania and Ukraine, top rock entries. Top rock entries that I was not expecting. Lithuania and Ukraine, top rock entries that I was not expecting them to be liked. As in, I like them because I'm a rock guy, but I didn't think like other people would like them as much. So yeah, I hope they do well in the finals. I hope they get to the finals and they do well in the finals.
Me and my little bird of prey.
Oh, I'm smashing like for that. That was absolutely gorgeous. That's a 9 out of 10. That rendition is so amazing. That's a 9 out of 10. I like the original, but damn, this one slaps just as much. If you enjoyed my reaction, make sure to smash like and subscribe. Check out these other reactions. Yeah, Lithuania, Ukraine. Really hoping that those rock entries do really well. I'll see you in the next one.